Hey everyone, and welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine, and it has been a long time since I've posted a video for you guys. I think the last one I posted was back in July of last year, and it was basically just telling you guys that I was taking a step back from making videos so that I could focus on my classes and my studies, which I passed all of my exams. I think it was back in November, so I'm officially licensed in life insurance, among other things. So I'm super excited to be taking steps in that direction and starting that career path with my trainer. But now that that's kind of water under the bridge and my brain is a little more flexible now, I am excited to be making videos again with you guys. I think I've been wanting to make this video since like January. I've been wanting to get back into this, but you know, life has been lifing and projects have been projecting and videos just weren't happening. So I'm taking some time here today to get you guys updated and start getting some old content edited and ready for distribution. But I wanted to give you guys kind of an update first before I start uploading a bunch of videos. So I have a handful of videos from last year that I recorded, but I never edited and I never got up on YouTube because I took a step back. I was taking a break. But I want to get that old content out first. So I have my summer garden walkthrough. I have a couple videos on how I made my meat chicken tractor out of scrap lumber. So that's one that I want to get up. And then I think I have a kitchen curtain tutorial where I show you how I made the valances in my kitchen. So I want to get those edited and posted first, and then I'm going to start making new content for this spring season and following seasons because there's a lot going on here. So I'm going to go ahead and get those older videos edited and uploaded first. So that's what you're going to be seeing over the next week or two. I'm probably not going to be posting as much as I did before. I think I was doing 2 or 3 videos a week. It might be more like 1 or 2 a week now, but quality over quantity. So I'm just going to focus on making you guys really solid content over trying to make a lot of content. So hopefully you guys are cool with that because that's what I can do, and I still want to do videos for you guys. So we're just going to kind of roll with it and see what happens. But old content is going up first, and then I'm going to do a update video and show you guys kind of what's going on with our homestead right now. So we've done a handful of changes. We have a few new faces around here, and I've got a handful of new projects that I'm going to be working on this year in preparation for next year. So that's kind of the game plan over the next month or so, is getting those old videos up for you guys, doing that update video, and then start getting into creating new content for you guys. So if there's anything that you want to see specifically from me in the coming months, in the coming seasons, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I could really use a list of what you guys would like to see from me, questions that you guys would like me to touch base on, projects that I've done in the past that you want updates on. Go ahead and leave all of that in the comments below so that I can start making those videos for you guys and getting them up on YouTube. So without further ado, I'm going to go sit down and get some of these older videos edited and scheduled for uploading, and then start working on that update video for you guys. So again, if you have any questions for me, videos that you want me to do, reviews you want me to do, again, go ahead and leave those in the comments. That way I know what you guys want to see from me and I can start working on it for you. Alrighty guys, I'm super excited to be back. I can't wait to start making new videos and working on new projects. Spring is here, warmer weather is coming, and I'm just itching to get into it. So happy to see you guys, so happy to be back. I'm excited to be making new videos, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.